Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a very small Dollar Tree haul again. So let's get started with the Dollar Tree. I went over there to look for a few things. They didn't even have nothing that I was looking for. So ended up buying just a few small things. The very first thing is I picked up this Brillo. Brillo Basics. This is the orange cleaner. It says multi-surface, 3 times action. See if it zooms in. See if it zooms in, guys. Oh my goodness. Biodegradable. I think it says freshness cleans. I don't know. I can't see it because it's not zooming in. But anyway, last time I did a haul, I did the OxiClean, Oxy Surface, whatever. I never tried that yet. It's the blue one. Their dish soaps are great. The other stuff I bought from them are good. So I never seen this one at the Dollar Tree before. It says Brillo Basics Orange Cleaner Multi-Surface. So anyway, I just picked that up just to give it a try. Maybe it'll be a good degreaser or something like that. And then I picked up 2 more of these Reese's cups. I'm always grabbing them when I'm in the front. Then I found these really nice little scrunchies. They have like a rope effect to it, but they're they're like extremely soft. Really soft. And I like the stretchable kind with the cloth. And they have different colors. You got the yellow, you got the dark blue, purple, I think it is, pink, and orange. So that's what they look like. So these will go with, if you want to put a little ponytail, whatever. Go with any color you have on. And then I found this really nice bandana. I've been spotting these really beautiful print. It's like a floral print, and then at the edges, it's got like a nice floral design. Because back then when I saw these, I thought it was 2-pack. Oh, it says 2 bandanas. Oh, I don't know if there's 2 in here or somebody took them. Let me see. I think somebody took it, but it's okay. I just wanted the one. Yeah, I believe it's 1 in here. So, yeah. So, I guess somebody took 1 out of the pack, but it doesn't matter. I got this one. I thought it was nice looking. And then I found this nice book right here. It's another one. This is about baking soda. I'm not 100% sure if I have a book like this again. I know I have a salt one. I have a vinegar one. I might have picked this up in the past, but if I do, oh well. I just have another copy. But this is about like different uses of baking soda. I believe I did buy one. Then I found these nice glittery little notepads. And this is the pink glitter one. And this is just a plain little notebook. Then I got the gold. Beautiful gold. Pink and gold. Then I found this beautiful blue one. And you could use this for anything, like writing notes, writing a journal, your dreams. You could put shopping lists, whatever you feel like doing. Phone numbers, whatever. And then the last thing I picked up at the Dollar Tree was these, are these glitters? I mean, like the stickers, or these are the iron-ons? I don't know, I can't even see it right now. Okay, it says Gemstone Designs. So, yeah, I think these are just glitter, how you say it, rhinestone stickers. I'm going to use this on a DIY project I'm going to do. Really pretty, but that's the only one that I've seen. And then I went next door, went to a Chinese spot, because they do not have my Diet Pepsis. They sold out at Dollar Tree. So I'm always grabbing these, but I grabbed 5 cans. Just 5 cans of Diet Pepsis, nice and cold. So that's all I picked up. So that's it, guys. That's all I got from Dollar Tree. They were getting empty. They didn't really have much today over there. But stay tuned for more videos. I will be doing more soon. I'm going to be going to way more stores and more exciting hauls coming up. So anyway, thanks for watching this haul, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.